Introducing Mercedes Pro Connect, the game-changing intelligent vehicle monitoring and communication system that keeps businesses moving. Save time, reduce operational costs, increase efficiency, and improve driver experience with our intelligent Mercedes-Benz Sprinter technology. Our groundbreaking technology provides fleet managers with a real-time view of their vehicles. It monitors Mercedes-Benz Sprinter GPS location, delivers insightful journey data and other vehicle data. It also warns of any errors or service notifications to help maximize uptime. The system combines advanced onboard hardware with an easy-to-use online portal. And it enables fleet managers to send destinations and text messages to drivers instantly via the driver's app or direct to the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter's large touchscreen navigation system powered by MBUX. Mercedes Pro Connect encourages a safer, more economical driving style with less wear and tear. This is thanks to efficient driving style analysis, which gives an insight into driving patterns. There's also the opportunity to save on fuel costs with an overview of consumption and mileage. Drivers can benefit from live traffic updates and intelligent rerouting, meaning they won't get held up as often. And Mercedes-Benz Van-to-X communication means unexpected hazards along the route, such as black ice or road blockages, can be communicated. Drivers can simply say, "Hey Mercedes," to control a range of vehicle, navigation, and in-vehicle office functions. Mercedes Pro Connect helps to minimize downtime and keep businesses moving. Both drivers and fleet managers receive alerts about maintenance and repair issues. When it comes to security, the system provides immediate notifications of suspected thefts. And remote vehicle access means Mercedes-Benz Sprinters can be locked and unlocked via the app from anywhere in the world. Even admin becomes easier with Mercedes Pro Connect, because the solution is compatible with third-party telematics brands and it's free for the first 3 years. 1 van, 5 vans, 100 vans. Whatever size your business, Mercedes Pro Connect offers powerful insight and advanced tracking and telematics technology to keep it moving. The future is connected. Make sure your business is too.